Did you see the Indonesia versus Bahrain game? It ended 2-2, but Bahrain scored the equalizer in the 99th minute. The added time was supposed to be only 6 minutes.
Yeah, that's quite unfavorable. The ref just kept the game going until Bahrain scored from Ted Cornell in the Semper et al.
Exactly, Indonesia had worked so hard and they were about to win. But then the ref allowed extra time way beyond what was given.
Indonesia defender Ted win. Honestly, the ref seemed to favor Bahrain with every call and then always then that's minutes counts.
I agree. If it wasn't for that questionable extra time, Indonesia would come out on top. Let's hope the next match are fair.
Definitely, Indonesia defends a fair shot after the effort. They played really well.
How do ecosystem referees decide?
As a bad referee has happened the world history.
Should the referee follow up?
Yes, referees league that shall be punished.
What are the signs so that something like this doesn't happen again in the future?
The AFC shall be on war against everything so that nothing detrimental happens.
Welcome everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the usage of modal in request. Let me introduce myself. My name is Raino Fransya Putra.
And my name is Zenrovki.
Introduction. The usage of modal in request. Modal verbs are important for making polite and effective requests. This presentation will explain the different modal verbs and how to use them properly to express meaning, tone, and politeness when asking for something. Introduction to modal verbs. 1. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are helping verbs that show possibility, necessity, obligation, and permission. 2. Common modal verbs. Can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. 3. Purpose of modal verbs. Modals helps us express subtle meanings and different tones in our language. Types of modal adverbs. Modal verbs are actually verbs that express ability, possibility, permission, or necessity. Types of modal adverbs. Here are the main types of modal verbs used in request. First is can. Usage in formal request. Example, can you help me with this? Next is could. Usage more polite request. Example, could you pass the salt? Next is may. Usage for formal request. Example, may I use your phone? Next is might. Usage for very polite request. Example, might I suggest an alternative? And then it should. Usage for suggestion that imply a request. Example, you should see a doctor. Modal verbs for request. Direct request. Modal verbs like can, could, would can be used to make direct requests. Example, could you pass the salt please? Next is indirect request. Modal verbs like may, might, should can be used to make indirect requests. Example, may I borrow your pen for a moment? Next is necessity request. Modal verbs like must, have to can be used to express necessity in request. Example, we must finish this project by tomorrow. Polite request using could and would. First is could. Using could adds a sense of possibility and politeness to a request. 2 is would. Using would express conditionally and higher levels of politeness. 3 examples. Could you help me with this project? More polite. Would you be able to assist me with this task? Most polite. Requesting permission using may and might. May. Using may express a polite request for a permission. Might. Using might conveys uncertainty and a more tentative request for permission. Examples. May I leave early today? Formal request. Might I borrow your stapler for a moment? More casual request. Expressing necessity with must and have to. Must. Using must conveys a strong sense of obligation or requirement. Have to. Using have to express necessity in a slightly softer way. Examples: you must complete this form by Friday. Strong obligation. You have to submit the report today. Necessity. Suggesting requests with should and ought to. 1 is should. Using should makes a request more of a suggestion or recommendation. 2. Ought to. Using ought to express a slightly stronger sense of moral obligation. 3 examples. You should arrive at least 10 minutes early for the meeting. Suggestion. You ought to submit your application before the deadline. Obligation.
Indirect request with can and call. Can asks about ability rather than making indirect request. Call soften and request and makes it more polite. Express can you help me with this test asking about ability. Call you please. Make a copy of the document polite request. Contextual factor in request model USAC. 1. Relapsed the collapse on the replace Batman, speaker, and lister effect modal verb choice. 2. Formality. More formal context generally request more polite modal verb link font and may. 3. Urgency. The urgency and request effect with modal verb weus lip must versus sol. Avoiding common mistakes. 1. Resist. Do resist before making decision or action. Understanding the context is can help to prevent mistakes. 2. Understanding the difference. Understand the difference best with modal web us polite and respectful language of score the perform assistance. Effective strategies for using modal in request. Be polite. Cause modal verb that demonstrate for the listener. Unused for context. Very modal usage based on the relative formality and urgency of the situation. Use modal to fully select modal verb that encourage convert the phrase meaning and tone you intend. Conclusion. In conclusion, modal verb are important for making requests. Knowing when to use modal verb like can, call, might, make, and solve help you communicate clear and polite in different situations. Using the right modal verb ensure your requests are respectful and easy to understand. Exercise 1. Replace sentences with the appropriate modal original sentence. Can I borrow your pen? Replace sentence. Call I borrow your pen. Exercise 2. Create request then using modal create a request then using the modal verb may. Explain my in have a glass of water please.
That's it for our presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.